what worked best for me was 2 sessions of 45 minutes on each leg. So, and that's a big chunk of time when you've got two legs. I did toy around trying 30-minute sessions once, and it ended up I just preferred a morning and a late afternoon session. So I do 45 minutes on one leg, ice, 45 minutes on the next leg, and ice. And after a 45-minute time, I felt like that was enough time to really get your joint loose and push your range of motion a bit. And I would a little bit, nothing, but not to where I was screaming out in pain at all. I mean, it's just that, like, breathe through it kind of pain is all. Nothing at all terrible. And if that's too much, you can back off. So the big turning point for me came at the end of week 2 when she moved me from a walker to a cane. And that made me feel like I had a lot more freedom and could get around better. And at that point, I was able to start driving too. And that was another big game changer. I mean, you start to feel a little bit more like yourself when you can have independence. And because I think I was excited by that, I did start cooking and laundry and being on my feet a lot more. Probably even a little too much a couple times, because you'd feel the tightness and the stiffness come back. But fortunately, I still had the X10 at that point, so I could loosen up my joints by doing a session with the range of motion on the X10, which kept me limber